welcome to the channel Engineering Physics. Now in this video we have to learn about the crystal structure and cubic crystal system. Now first we go through the crystal structure, index, crystal structure. In this, under this heading we have to study about the lattice and basis, then unit cell, Bravais lattices. Under this heading, primitive and non-primitive cells, cubic crystal system, simple cubic, body centered cubic and face centered cubic. Crystal structure. Crystal structure is obtained when a basis is added at each point in the lattice. What is the basis? The basis must be identical in composition, arrangement and orientation such that the crystal appears exactly the same at one point as it does at other equivalent points. Following figure shows the formation of crystal structure when basis is added to each lattice point. Thus, space lattice plus basis equal to crystal structure. Here, this represents, in this diagram, this basis represents, that is the atom, and these lattice points means location of this atom. These lattice points, this atom is placed here, then it forms a crystal structure. Means in short, lattice points are the nothing but the location of the atom, location of the basis in the crystal structure. In 3 dimension, what is a lattice? Lattice is an ordered array of points describing the arrangement of particles that form a crystal. The unit cell of a crystal is defined by the lattice points. This is a unit cell. When these lattice points join to each other, a unit cell is formed. For a given lattice, infinite number of unit cells are possible. These are the lattice points, and when these lattice points will join, a unit cell is formed. Means in the number of unit cells are formed for a given lattice. Ionic lattice. If a crystal is formed of ions, the compound can be described as an ionic lattice. Example, sodium chloride crystal. In solid state, ions of ionic compounds are regularly packed to form 3-dimensional structures called crystal lattice. Here, Na plus and Cl minus ions, they are packed together in the systematic manner and form the crystal structure. Another type of lattice with a different symmetry, here square. In this diagram, these lattice points, they are arranged in the systematic manner. This is not a lattice because here this atom, it is not arranged in the order, it is not arranged in the systematic manner. This is not a lattice. This array of points is a lattice. Now we go through the unit cell. Unit cell is the smallest volume that carries a full description of the entire lattice. Unit cell is the smallest repetitive volume which contains the complete lattice pattern of a crystal. The unit cell possesses all the structural properties of the bulk crystal. This is the unit cell, and if this unit cell is repeated again and again, it forms a crystal structure, and this unit cell have all the properties of the crystal. The geometry of the crystal typical unit cell is shown in figure. The primitive vectors A, B and C define the length of the 3 edges of the unit cell. Here, this A, that is along x-axis, axial length, it is called axial length. B, it is along y-axis, that is called axial length along y-axis, and the C, it is the axial length along z-axis. And these angles, that is the angle between B and A, that is the angle between y and x-axis, that represented by gamma. This angle between y and z, that is represented by alpha, means the angle between this distance B and C, that is represented by alpha, and angle between this x and z axis, that is the angle between A and this C, that is represented by beta. These are called as a lattice constant. The angles formed between the edges B and C denoted by alpha, between A and C denoted by beta, and between A and B, these are denoted by gamma, known as the lattice parameters. NaCl crystal. Now here, this is not a unit cell because it is not If this repeated in the crystal lattice again and again, it does not form a crystal. This is also another example. This is also not a unit cell. The unit cell of a crystal lattice is the simplest 3D arrangement of particles which, when repeated three-dimensionally in space, will generate the whole crystal structure. This is the example of unit cell. This represents unit cell. Here also Na plus and Cl minus ions. This represents a unit cell, because if these unit cells repeated in the crystal, it forms a crystal structure. Common unit cells with a cubic symmetry. Here simple cubic cell, body centered cubic cell, and this represents a face centered cubic cell. These are the examples of the unit cells. Now, what are Bravais lattices? In 1848, Auguste Bravais, a French crystallographer, proved that there are only 14 space lattices in total, which are required to describe all possible arrangements of points in space subject to the condition that each lattice point has exactly identical environment. A Bravais lattice looks exactly the same, no matter from which point in the lattice one views it. If we observe a Bravais lattice from any lattice point, it looks the same environment. The 14 space lattices are called Bravais lattices. The 14 Bravais lattices have 7 different symmetries, which corresponds to the 7 crystal systems. 7 space lattices are called primitive cells, and 7 space lattices are called as a non-primitive cells. Now, what are these primitive and non-primitive? In primitive cells, what happens? The unit cells which have a point at each corner and nowhere else, such unit cells are called primitive cells. Here, these are the primitive cells. In these unit cells, what happens? The points are at the corners, a point at each corner and nowhere else. While in primitive cells, atoms are associated only at the corner. Here, in this case and in this case, atoms are arranged only at the corner. These cells are called primitive cells. While in case of non-primitive cells, what happens? The unit cells which contains additional points. Here, this is at the center. Atoms are arranged at the corners and one additional point is there. Here also at the center one point is there, additional point. This is a non-primitive cell. 7 types of lattices are non-primitive cells. Now, which are that? Here, the classification of crystal system. This results in the fact that in 3 dimensions there are only 7 different shapes of unit cells, which can be stacked together to completely fill all space without overlapping. This gives the 7 crystal systems in which all crystal structures can be classified. These are the cubic crystal system. Under this, 3 crystal structures are there: simple cubic, base centered cubic, and face centered cubic. Simple cubic, body centered cubic, and face centered cubic. The hexagonal crystal system. Then the triclinic crystal system, monoclinic crystal system, orthorhombic crystal system, the tetragonal crystal system, and trigonal crystal system. These are the 7 crystal systems. Now, shape of the unit cells in that crystal system. Shape of the unit cell, cube, and used as a unit cell for crystal. It is cubic. Cube is used as a cubic crystal system, that is a cubic. And in this case, lattice parameters, that is interaxial lengths A equal to B equal to C, and interaxial angles alpha, beta, gamma equal to 90 degree. Square prism, like this, in the remaining 6 crystal system, these are the lattice parameters. A crystal lattice with a cubic unit cell is known as a cubic structure. 3 kinds of cubic structures are simple cubic structure, body centered cubic structure, face centered cubic structure. Simple cubic structure, it is also called as a primitive because there are 4 atoms at the 4 corners, hence it is a primitive cell. Simple cubic lattice. A simple cubic lattice is a primitive cell with lattice points located at the 8 corners of the cube. Here, these atoms are located at the 8 corners of the cube, hence it is called as a primitive cell. In the unit cell shown on the left, the atoms at the corners are cut because only a portion, in this case 1/8, belongs to the cell and the rest of the atom belongs to the neighboring cell. Here it is shown that the here atom is cut, 1/8 part, it remains present in the same cell and remaining parts they get contributed to the neighboring cells. Hence, in metallic crystals, each lattice site is occupied by only one atom, example polonium. This is the simple cubic structure. This represents the space filling. This is unit cell. This is the diagram of unit cell, and this is the space lattice. Second one, body centered cubic lattice, BCC. The body centered cubic cell is a non-primitive cell having an atom within the cell in addition to the 8 corner atoms. Here 8 corner atoms are there and one atom it is at the center, hence it is a non-primitive cell. Figure shows the arrangement of lattice point in a BCC cell. Every BCC lattice point has 8 nearest neighbors, so each atom is in contact with the neighbors only along the body diagonal directions. Here each atom it is in contact with the neighboring by the body diagonal. This is the diagonal. Many metals including the alkalis and several transition elements have the BCC structure. Here it is given the examples of the BCC structure. Body centered cubic structure. Here space filling. Here this is represents space lattice. Here the unit cell of the BCC structure. Face centered cubic structure. The face centered cubic unit cell is a non-primitive cell having 6 atoms at the centers of 6 faces. Here 6 atoms are at the center. 6 faces are there, top, bottom, back side, front side, and 2 on the 2 sides, left and right. 6 atoms are at the center of the 6 faces and 8 atoms at 8 corners of the cube. 8 atoms, here 4 corners, and these are the 4 corners. Figure shows the atomic model of the FCC cell. Many common metals, copper, nickel, crystallizes in the FCC structure. These are the examples of FCC structure, and this is the structure. Here this represents a lattice structure and this is the unit cell of the FCC. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe the channel, share the videos and press the bell icon.